What is up, everyone? Shark the Bear here, back at it again with another unboxing video. And today we are going to unbox the Google Wi-Fi, the Google Home Wi-Fi system. I don't know if y'all remember, but Google used to sell these Wi-Fi routers by, I even forgot what companies. I think it was Asus, and then like that other company. See, that's how long ago I looked at them. Like I was kind of curious about them, but not too keen on buying them. But now that I do need a router, well, I don't need one. I just don't want to for pay to rent one Comcast router, and I'm switching back to Comcast because AT&T is no bueno for me anymore. Yeah, like my entire life has been switching between Uverse and Xfinity. I swear, like it's a joke. It's literally a joke. The last 5 years, 6 years, I don't even remember how long, but that's what I've been doing, switching between Xfinity and Uverse. That's all. Can't wait till Google Fiber comes to Houston. Like I can't. Y'all gotta make it happen, okay? Go tweet at Google. Be like, Houston needs it. Houston needs you. Okay, let's fix the focus over here. Oh, I think this is sensitive information. But let's look at this. So what's inside, tech specs, and all that good stuff. I have not actually looked at the reviews before buying this, which I should have done. Excuse me. Let's see. Home Wi-Fi. Simply solved. Yeah, I just wanted to buy it because it's Google. You know what? See, this is the problem when I need to buy. You know what I need to buy? I need to buy another tripod thing for my phone because I lost the last one, like the cell phone head for my Joby Pod spiral tripod thing because when I went to Bangladesh, and so now I just do a one hand thing, and my Note 8 takes really nice videos, as you can tell right now, and it's 4K too, and I want to do them in like one take so I don't have to edit them, and you get to watch it raw. Oh, it's popping out. Ooh, that's pretty. So beautiful. It's a beautiful piece of machine right now. Oh, okay, let's look at the bottom. All right, nice. So that's where the Ethernet go. Ooh, USB-C. Come through, Google. Come through. Yes. USB-C, all the things. I assume this middle part has a light that glows like this. Is that a white light? I don't know. Let's get started. What does it say? Instructions. Do I ever read instructions? Like, I just kind of try to figure it out. I could have just not struggled and read the instructions, but, there's fun in finding things out on my own. Alright, so let's see what this comes with. You know what song's stuck in my head right now? Da-da-da, Caroline. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Yes, USB Type-C, built-in cable. Do people ever look at the specs on the cable? I know some people do. I know I should too. Let's look at this. There you go. So that's what it looks like. Where's the G? Where's the G? My G. G for Google. Alright, so that is what it is. A long cable. And then the modem itself. Now, I don't want to make the Comcast dude uncomfortable who's going to come to set up the Wi-Fi here because this apartment does not have a setup for Xfinity, or it hasn't been set up in 2 years, and I've lived here for over 2 years, so I mean, it's understandable. I have to pay an excruciating amount of money, even though I'm only staying here for like 30 days. Not even 28 days, but I need Wi-Fi. So, gotta do what you gotta do. And then I'm gonna have to pay for installation at my new place. I don't know. I don't know how I'm gonna figure that out. Let's try to figure this out right now. You know what? Let's plug this in. Let us plug it in. Let us kill some time, because the Comcast dude is already late. He was supposed to be here like 30 minutes ago, but it's a 2-hour window, so he might just drop by any second. But yeah, let me try to do that. So yeah, the song that's been stuck in my head is Caroline. Da, da, da. Da, da, da. My friend Faye, I think you've seen her videos on my channel. She used to play this song in her car, and I used to hate it, and then it grew on me, and now it's stuck in my head, even though I haven't heard it in like months. Actually, no, I might have heard it. You know what? I'll Spotify it and listen to it. I heard that if a song is stuck in your head, if you listen to it, it helps to get it out of your head. Something like that. Like, if a certain verse is stuck in your head, then you can just like get it out of your system by doing that. I don't know. Let's focus over here. Oopsie. Sorry about that. And let's walk over here. Oh, I need to turn the light on. Actually, who cares? Can you even see anything? There you go. And that's my old router. Yeah. Screw AT&T, screw Uverse. But yeah, and then right next to it is this one. As you can see, it doesn't have any connection yet, so it's not gonna show anything. But yeah, if you want to see like a detailed review or things like that on this, then I can try to do that. So just let me know, okay? Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to like, dislike it, and leave your thoughts down below. Thank you for watching. This is Shark the Bear signing off.